How to connect Gemini API in Lovable. Now, there could be two case scenarios when you're talking about connecting a Gemini API. One could be that maybe you want to integrate it within a certain project that you're creating, like maybe a website that you're creating. Now for this, you have to obtain your key from Google AI Studio, and you have to simply prompt the Lovable chat assistant to integrate the AI logic, and securely saving your credentials. Lovable will automatically handle all the backend for you. The other case scenario is if you want to connect the Gemini API as a connector within the Lovable app itself. To do so, once you launch the app, tap on the menu icon from the top left of the screen, and from here simply go to your profile page. And from the list of these options, just select the option called Connectors, and within Connectors in the search bar you want to simply search for Gemini. And when you've done that, you can see Gemini Enterprise or other AI models as well. Whatever is your preference, you can simply select that, and once done, you can tap the Add Connection button. And these are the two case scenarios on how you can connect Gemini API in Lovable. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.